Our customers wanted a greater reach and a bigger payload. The SX135XC is proof that we listened. First, it has a full 90 feet of outreach. That's the largest outreach in the industry. And second, along with that reach, we gave it a lot of capacity. You get 660 pounds of capacity at 90 feet. With the jib retracted, you get 1,000 pounds of capacity and still get 78 feet of outreach. This reduces the number of lift cycles and delivers higher productive work by getting more people and materials where they need to go. This really opens up jobs that require heavy tool applications like construction, bridge inspections, and maintenance, stadium and sports arena work, and other applications from refineries to industrial. This is an X chassis machine, but it's the first to offer our mini X chassis. This means that it has a smaller footprint that still provides the stability and performance that we expect from our booms. But on the SX135XC, we shortened the legs to take it from a 16 by 16 on our larger units to a 13 by 13 footprint. This really helps the maneuverability in those tighter applications like urban areas, where it lets you only take up one lane on a site to keep from restricting traffic. You'll also notice the primary boom is very similar to the rest of our S Boom and Super X products. Like them, it has a cartridge-style cylinder and cables, so from a service standpoint, the cables and cylinder come out as one package, which is unique in the market. The swing chassis is essentially the same too, which means that it shares the same hydraulics, engine configurations, electrical and control systems. And from the slew bearing down, it's essentially the same as all of our SX products. The controls are another area where there's a lot of commonality. This features our ALC 1000 control system. You'll find it on our Z80, our ZX135, and our SX150 and SX180. We've included an overload system that will be standard on all of our equipment going forward. What really allows this machine to get into those challenging areas is its large extending jib. This extension delivers a huge range of motion from a negative 55 degrees to a positive 70 degrees. This extended jib lets you poke it through an opening in a building or the truss of a bridge and then rotate the platform up from within to reach a large working area. The platform on the SX135XC features 3 entry access points with a single swing gate standard, and it rotates 160 degrees from side to side to make it easier for the operator to position it precisely. And once you step onto the platform, you'll see that the control panel is identical to many of our other Genie products. The drive controls, boom controls, and the layout are the same. There's just the addition of the control for the extending jib. Since this is a long machine, we needed to figure out how to make transportation as easy as possible. We've designed in a very high range of motion bell crank that enables us to raise the primary boom up and then tuck the jib and platform all the way under and then bring it back down for transport. This brings the transport length down to a comfortable 43 feet 7 inches. The footprint, when it's expanded, is 12 feet 11 inches, and it collapses down to 8 feet 2 inches. This lets you transport on a standard truck without being overweight. A key part of productivity is reliability. That's why we've done a lot to protect the limit switches and angle sensors. They are designed into the machine and use strategically positioned plates to protect them. From an engine standpoint, we're offering the 4 proven configurations available on many of our other products. This is the 74 horsepower Deutz 2.9 liter turbo diesel. It's a Tier 4 final engine in North America. For the European market, it's a Stage 3B engine. For other parts of the world, we offered our Turbo D 2011 LL4i that is a Tier 4i or a Tier 3 engine. There's also a Perkins 74 horsepower turbo diesel available as Tier 4 or Tier 3 engine. As you can see, we've also designed the engine compartment to be a lot easier to service by having the engine pivot out for access. We also offer different power options for welding or just power to the platform. You can get the low power welder option with a 7.5 kilowatt hydraulic generator for light duty work. And we also offer the heavy duty welder option, which is a 12 kilowatt hydraulic generator. And for operators who just want power to the platform, we offer a 3 kilowatt generator. Like all of our equipment, we design them to work in challenging locations around the world. An option to push this even further is our hostile environment package. This includes sweepers on the boom tubes to keep out debris, cylinder bellows to protect the chrome parts in the cylinder, and covers for the platform control panel and slew ring. That should give you a good overview of the SX135XC. For more information and to try one out for yourself, please contact your Genie representative, and more information is also available on our website. Thank you for your time.